How to unblock someone on Wire Messenger. Hello everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. If you've blocked someone on Wire Messenger, you can unblock them and allow them to contact you again in just a few steps. First of all, open up the Wire Messenger application and make sure you're logged in. Now, once you're in the Conversation tab, go to the search bar at the top and type in the name of the person or the username of them to search for them. Once you're inside the Conversation tab, go ahead and look for the plus icon at the top right corner, and in the search bar, type in the name or the username of the person you want to unblock. Once you search for the person, you'll see this kind of a little blocked kind of an icon in their profile picture. Just tap on it, and from the detail page, go to the bottom right and tap the three dots. You'll see this unblock button, which you should press on, and the contact will be unblocked and back to your conversation page. And now you'll be able to unblock the contact. Now you can go ahead and try sending them message, or you can get connected to them back again. So that's how you unblock someone on Wire Messenger. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.